In this video, I'm going to show you how to add instruments to Reaper DAW. Now to do this, you first want to go to, of course, your tracks, and you want to right click anywhere where there's empty space, and you want to click on Insert Virtual Instrument on New Track. Now once you've done this, you want to click on Instruments or anything else over here, and you simply want to find the virtual instrument you want to use. So I'm going to click on, for example, this one, and I'm going to click on Add. Now once you do this, as you can see, automatically it's going to give you some options over here which you can play with if you want to, and now essentially you do have your virtual instrument in here that you can use, okay? But if you want to install new instruments, that's of course also possible if they don't show up on the list, and of course you want to add new ones. First you're going to have to download and install your plugin to a known folder on your computer. So usually you're going to have to go to Options up top, and then here inside Options you want to go to Preferences. So usually it's at the very bottom. You want to click on this button and then go to Preferences, and then from here you want to go to a VST on the left. So scroll down and find VST. Now in here you can see there's going to be like a bunch of different settings. What you want to do is click on Edit Path List, and then you want to go and click on Add Path, and of course that way you want to find the folder where you've installed your VST plugin, so where you downloaded this to. For example, if I want the downloads folder and then let's say this audio folder, I can just double click it, click on select folder, it's going to be added as a path. Then you want to rescan, and of course you want to click on this over here, and it's going to rescan for plugins, and then hopefully it's going to find your instrument whenever you try to add a new track and a new instrument, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.